2009 Hyundai Genesis 4.6 liter. You guys can see it's very, very quiet. It's choked. Again? You can't even hear it. Again? Wow, it's so quiet. You can't even hear it. We're gonna change that. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, on this Genesis sedan, there's the cats on it. One here, one there, then two more cats there. Then we're gonna take this resonator off and replace it with an X-pipe. There'll be a link in the description for it, right there. And then we're gonna take these two rear mufflers off and replace them with straight pipes and new tips that he's got over there somewhere. We'll show you guys the tips in a second. There'll be a link for them too. Stay tuned. That's what it looks like. All right, guys, so we just finished up the Genesis coupe. So still got the converters on top, on each side, and then the secondary converters. Then we replaced the resonator with an X-pipe. Part number's right here. There'll be a link in the description. Then we replaced the rear mufflers there and there with straight pipes and finished it off with some nice tips out the back, 4-inch. There'll be a link in the description for them too. Stay tuned, guys, right there. And there's the resonator that was on it and the two mufflers that were on it that we cut off. He drove an hour to get here, so we really appreciate him coming down from Kentucky. Stay tuned, guys. 2012 Hyundai Genesis sedan, 4.6 liter. You guys can see right there. Let me show you guys what we done to it. Got converters on top on each side. The manifolds. Then secondary converters go there. Took the two resonators out and put Dynamax race bullets, part number 24250s. One there, one there. Then the True Dual continues out the back, and we deleted the rear mufflers, as you guys can see there. Came out really clean and nice. Kept his stock tips because they're built into the bumper. Just, it's a lot cleaner setup that way. So it looks like we didn't do anything at all. And there's the two mufflers that were on it. And there's the resonator that was on it. We cut that off, and the two mufflers. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys hit that subscribe, like, comment. And if you guys want those Dynamax race bullets, they'll be on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Get you some. Oh, much better. Got a clean idle to it. Not bad. Go ahead. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead again. About at 110. It's really quiet on idle, which is crazy for it to be this quiet. Genesis 4.6 liter V8 sedan, naturally aspirated. Here's our beautiful shop in Nashville, Tennessee, guys. Give us a holler if you guys need anything. Let you guys hear on the inside. 2012 Genesis sedan, 4.6 liter with Dynamax race bullets, mids and rear delete. I love these here because they came with the V8. Holy crap! Yeah, definitely parents gonna notice. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 114, and we're barely revving it. Crazy. Dude, it hit 114. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. It's our beautiful shop. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital and right before Due West Avenue. And then you guys get to see these beautiful apartments that they just built. insane, guys. I like it. I love it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. That sounds phenomenal. What do you guys think? Let me know. Here we go, guys. Hyundai Genesis sedan, 4.6 liter. That sounds so good. Beast mode. Enjoy, guys. It deserved that one. That's loud. Dynamax mids. Rear delete. You can still hear it.